Hello, this video is to demonstrate the Easy-Peasy lace pattern, which is a series of increases and decreases. I'm going to demonstrate the swatch that is in the pattern itself rather than the shawl pattern. So you'll need to grab a copy of the pattern to do that. This one though is, as I said, just for the swatch. Now what I've done is I've made a foundation row that has 12 vertical bars in it. So I started off with a slip knot and then I did 12 chains. Now row 2 of the pattern is a series of decreases and increases. Now we start with a TSS 2 together, which is a hook underneath 2 vertical bars, yarn over and draw up a loop, and then a yarn over. Then TSS 2 together, yarn over. For my beginner friends, I just want to point out that a yarn over in Tunisian, the yarn goes from the back of the hook to the front. If you go from the front of the hook to the back, that's a yarn under. We're not looking for a yarn under, okay? So be deliberate with how you do your yarn overs. So the yarn goes from back to front. TSS 2 together, yarn over. TSS 2 together, yarn over. TSS 2 together, yarn over, edge stitch. Okay, so because I started with a 12 on my foundation row, I want to make sure I still have 12. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, and you just need to make sure that you don't forget that last yarn over. We do a standard return pass, which is a chain 1 or a yarn over pull through 1, and then yarn over pull through 2 until there are 2 loops on the hook. Okay, now the pattern instructions for row 3 are the same as row 2, except this time we're going to be inserting our hook differently. The reason we need to do this is that we don't have just a row of simple stitches to insert the hook into anymore. Now we have some lace stitches. Now you're going to be still doing, it kind of is a TSS 2 together, but it's modified, and then a yarn over. So I'll demonstrate. So we start, our normal TSS 2 together is that we'd put our hook under the first vertical bar and then the second one, but it's hidden, okay? The second vertical bar is actually this yarn over loop that's here, okay? I don't want you to do that. I want you to knit the yarn over. So I'm going to start again. Hook under the vertical bar of the TSS 2 together, and then I want you to knit between the legs of the yarn over, okay, which is in the big hole, okay? So you pop your hook through the big hole, yarn, grab that yarn and pull it through the hole and that simple stitch, then yarn over. So under the first vertical bar and then knit the yarn over. It's all in one movement. Pull it through, yarn over. Hook under the vertical bar, hook through the hole, yarn over, hook under the vertical bar, through the hole, pull it through, yarn over, hook under the vertical bar, through the hole, pull it through 2, don't forget the yarn over at the end, edge stitch. Okay, so remember it's a series of decreases and increases, but I should still have the same number of loops on my hook. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, return pass is chain 1 or yarn over pull through 1. Then yarn over pull through 2 until we have 1 loop left on the hook. Do that row one more time, see that it's really clear and you can see the pattern a little bit better. Okay, so hook under the vertical bar and through the big hole like a knit stitch, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, hook under the vertical bar and through the big hole, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, hook under the vertical bar, through the big hole, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, hook under the vertical bar and through the big hole, which is just like a knit stitch, pull it through, yarn over, one more time, and then the edge stitch. Again, standard return pass. Okay, now it looks a bit distorted in this bigger yarn. When you work with 4-ply / fingering weight yarn, this stitch pattern will look a lot smaller. Now, the TSS 2 togethers, I know it's not technically a TSS 2 together, it's a kind of decrease. Once you've done enough of them, this is going to look like a row of knit stitches all the way along. Okay, now I'm going to show you the best way to bind off. And we're going to bind off as knit stitch. Okay, so we're going to insert our hook, so not under the vertical bar. This is a standard slip stitch bind off. You'd go here, yarn over and pull through 2. I want you to knit, so that's in between the front and the back vertical bars, from front to back. Yarn over, pull that through 1 and 2. Then I want you to knit the yarn over. Then knit, slip stitch, knit, slip stitch the yarn over. It's not like me to do a knit bind off, but in this stitch it looks the best. Okay, so that is the Easy-Peasy lace, which is now into a Easy-Peasy one skein shawl. I hope you enjoy it. See ya.